What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the UK. I haven't even uploaded all my Monaco videos yet. However, today I kind of maybe dropped out of college a bit early to come to the London Concours. My first time attending this event, and you might see a different hairstyle. No, it's not because I'm watching Love Island, it's because I feel like maybe a bit smarter, put a collar t-shirt on and, you know, kind of fit in for once, not wearing black jeans. Actually, I am wearing black jeans, however, not like tracky bottoms or something. However, I've already seen some of the cars in there, and wow, from the Tiffany Veyron to the blue Electrico Laugh, it's a crazy event. So I'll show you some B-rolls, however I can't talk much as there are loudspeakers playing copyrighted music. So it's mainly going to be like a B-roll video, and however we are going to car sport after, hopefully trying to find some cool supercars on the street. So without further ado, let's go into the video.
We didn't get the results.
Okay, so the first car that's caught my eye, and I still can't believe I'm saying this, the second 177 of the week, including the one, the black one I saw in Monaco, and now this one, the silver one, which makes it my fifth 177. And like I always say, this for me is the best Aston Martin made. So the main thing with the 177 is the huge grille at the front, and also it curves around like a big bubble at the end. And this is my first one I've seen in this colour. And it looks awesome. It's left-hand drive, and again I have not seen this one, so it's such a good surprise. However, the speakers around me, you can hardly hear me, hence why I'm only going to pick a few cars and then carry on the car spotting in London. So I have now found myself in like the hypercar section, as we've got the legendary McLaren F1 next to like one of the first P1s I believe, in Amnesty Black. So in the sunlight you will see the purple sparkles come by, but then we've also got the green F1, which just, you know, there's not really much to say about it apart from it is like the GOAT of supercars, like the OG hypercar, and I'll never get bored of this. Of course, you've got the three-seater, you can see like the green through the lights, and then yet again I have seen this F1, but I'd see it another 100 more times and I still wouldn't get bored. And it's also parked next to an original 4GT 40 in 1965, next to the new 4GT. However, like I've said before about Schmees, that's a V6, and I do really like the old ones. But not a bad lineup here. But again, nothing comes close to this F1 or the music in the background, hence why I'm not talking as much. So as I'm trying to stay away from the speakers, we've got the difference of the P1 and the F1. You can kind of see the shape kind of evolving over the years. I still would pick the F1 over it, not because everyone else does, I just think the F1 just looks, you know, just a bit better. And I do like the curves of the P1, but I think the F1, just the shape of it, they've nailed it. And yeah, for that reason, and especially in the sunlight, as we're very lucky with the weather, the green really stands out in the F1. So here we have quite a crazy car, the F40 LM in the livery, the old school livery, which looks wicked. So again, I did see one in Monaco, the one that's in the service centre. However, I did not see it up and close, and I haven't seen many up and close. Apart from Goodwood, I've seen a couple, but they only made a handful of LMs. They made a few GTs, and of course, the amount of F40 original ones they made was quite a lot. But you know, this is like the racing version, but road legal, I believe. And it's the wing. It's like a double wing. It's crazy. And I was saying to my mate that it's so cool you can see inside through the plastic, which makes this car, I think, even more special. You can see it. But yeah, this car is definitely, again, one of the stars of the show for me. So once again, I'm just going to show you my highlights. Of course, there's like 288 GTOs, a 509 GTO, you know, there's so many cars around here, and this place is unreal for my first time here, but the speakers, the music, I'll get copyrighted for the music, hence why I'm just going to pick my favourites of the show. So another highlight for me is this blue Electrico LaFerrari. Again, I can't really say much apart from it is stunning in this spec, and I've always believed it was a tan interior. However, looking it up close, I actually think it's orange, which makes it even better. And I last saw this car in 2016 in Egan's Ferrari showroom, so it was only through glass, so it's awesome to see this up close. And again, let alone the LaFerrari being one of my favourite cars. In this colour, they've literally nailed the spec. I haven't seen one in this colour before, and I don't know if it is a one-off colour. As I've seen no other pictures of a blue Electrico Laf, and also, which I love, is that the caps match the paint, which is just phenomenal. So with this spec, and the video uploaded not long ago on my YouTube of the purple Laf, the dark purple one, which spec would you have? Would you have like a bold spec like this one, or would you keep it like a normal red or a dark colour? So it only leaves me to show you the start of the show for me, which is the main reason I well, kind of left college early just to see this car. The Bugatti Veyron Vitesse, however, you might see it's in this crazy spec, the Tiffany, I call it the Tiffany edition. So the colour it's a one-off on the Veyron, and it was owned in, I believe, Hong Kong, and the guy, one of his favourite jewelleries was the Tiffany one, so he got the colour of the gem to match the car, and even the wheels, which is, if I show you quickly, look at that, the wheels just look awesome. And also a really cool feature is he got his, I believe, one of his children's footprints on the car in the back, which is not something you see every day on a car, but another cool feature to make it like a special one of one. But yeah, this colour, it's got all the carbon at the front. And again, the interior is like the Tiffany, you might just be able to see it, like the light blue. And yeah, this is definitely my highlight of the show. The main reason I came here. I knew everything else was coming, but this for me is easily the best spec Veyron I've seen, but also the star of the show for me. And I just can't believe the colour, it works so well. And I missed this in 2016, so it's great to now finally see this in 2019. So that pretty much wraps up this event, and it's a shame that I can't talk more or vlog in here, but the music and the commentating is quite loud, and I don't even know if you can hear me now. However, me and my mate are going to head back into London, do a bit of car spotting, then maybe come back down here tonight to see the cars leaving. But for now, here is my favourite car of the show, the Tiffany Veyron Vitesse.
can't do it down now, so I get
Here, let's go back.
Loud.